Generally, the full set of tender documents is comprised of large volumes which may contain many sections. Glodon TBQ helps make preparing tender documents conveniently and quickly. TRB also has added related features to help prepare tender documents quickly. Select the external BQ module in Project Settings. You can create bills and elements of the tender document, and add BQ to the element. TRB enables you to create three types of BQ, which are item, heading and note. Click the ellipsis button in the corresponding cell under the description column to edit the detailed description. Click the related cell under the calculated quantity column, the fill quantity window pops out. The data entered or loaded here will be summed up and transported to the corresponding cell in BQ. You can also delete the error data. Click another cell in the same column, the same window with corresponding data pops out. When the quantity data is already filled in, you just need to input the rate data, the amount will be generated automatically. You can export the edited BQ to Excel, by using this function in the menu. You can also identify the user BQs. Export either all elements of the bill or the BQ of single element by select the certain joint. Also you can export the BQ to an existing Excel files. Usually, we have to fill the quantity data of different element types to different BQ, and it gets very difficult when there is a large project. TRB enables you to fill in the BQ with quantities extracted by an customized condition via View Quantity by Category function. You can extract quantities from elements in both drawing input and single element. For example, in drawing input, check the target floors and elements. You can see that the rebar quantities are categorized by a certain condition in the report. Click the target cell in Calculated Quantity column, and the Fill Quantity window pops out. In the report, double-click the data to read it to the Fill Quantity window. The data source of quantity filled in can be traced. Open the report again, the quantity data filled in the BQ can be located in the exact cell of the report. Whereas, the quantity data entered manually cannot be reversely checked. In terms of model change, software enables to process quantity variation quickly. You just have to perform calculation again and then click Refresh Quantity to get the new quantity data. Click Check and Modify to view the new source. If the data source is disappeared, or in other words, the related element has been removed, the quantity data becomes 0, so the source cannot be traced after refreshing. Glodon has a total solution for quantity takeoff and costing. As part of the solution, TRB enables you to import the BQ created by TBQ, therefore, you could quickly extract rebar quantities according to the BQ and then upload them to TBQ, preparing tender documents quickly and accurately. First of all, you need to save current project before connecting to TBQ. Enter the account password assigned by the TBQ server and then select the server address. And finally connect TBQ project and accurately. Connecting TBQ project would import the BQ data from TBQ server to TRB. However, the quantity data could not be imported, with 0 quantity filled in the cell. When uploading the quantity data to TBQ, software would sum them up instead of replacing it. As there are always BQ of multiple disciplines, you are recommended to hide the irrelevant BQ items when filling quantities and uploading to TBQ. When all the BQ items are filled with quantity data, you can use the function upload to TBQ to transport quantity data to TBQ. In the same time, you can also add new BQ items and then upload them to TBQ server. There is one thing that you need to pay attention to though, data change in the rate column cannot be uploaded. Open the project in TBQ again, you will find that quantity column is filled with quantity data. Click the quantity details, you can see the data source. In the case that the BQ or bill end element in TBQ changes, you can use the function update TBQ item to sync BQ data in TRB project with that of TBQ. In this new release, 2 BQ related reports have been added in TRB. One is BQ summary, and the other is BQ variation summary. The difference between them lies in that BQ variation summary has column baseline quantity and column variation quantity.